What's up, guys? Welcome back to
my
channel. And today we're going to be showing you about lots of fidgets. First, we've got this octopus puppet, and we've got these little ones, and we've got this big one, and we've got a unicorn. That's a horse. Well, a horse, and this is a unicorn. And today we're going to be doing a challenge. See who can pop the most poppets in the hole. So
and
soon we're gonna have to end this.
And we got some squeezers.
And then get back, and then we can get, and then we. So the winner.
we can get back to
the winner gets to slap. The winner gets to slap. Do whatever they want until Ezra's in bed. Marcy's little brother. So we're going to have to end this video soon, so then we can set a timer, so we can see who can get the most poppets in the most goodest, lightest time ever.
Anyway, so this is a banana stretchy thing. It's so stretchy. You can squish it. You can do whatever you want. You can twist it. You can do whatever you want with it.
And we got some squeezers, and I bought my own poppet snapper, and we got some snappers,
and we've got this octopus poppet, which look,
you've already showed us that in the beginning.
You showed us.
And I bought my own puppet from home, and
they're not in my house.
And we're going to have lots of fun doing this challenge, I guess.
And we're having a sleepover at Marcy's house.
Yes, so
who can win
to do whatever they want for 24 hours.